Hey, how's it going? Good morning. Today is January 5th of Keeping Up with TJR. Of course, right now where I live, it's 7:40 a.m. He still hasn't uploaded his video. He'll upload it around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. He's a different time zone than me. But I'm uploading this video because I'm trying to make it a habit at the same time of actually analyzing my trades for the week. Today's Monday. Today is a big week, and I know yesterday I'm pretty sure TJR is gonna talk about liquidity sweep and more on that matter. And yeah, I'll probably either make a review at night or tomorrow morning talking about it. Most likely tomorrow morning because I do want to keep to one video per day. And right now, this video is gonna be me starting to make the habit of recording this early morning trading analysis of what's the plan for the week. I just finished looking at the charts right now. I'm using gold, the gold US dollar. Why? Because I know TJR uses most likely stocks, S&P 500 or something like that. I like gold because that's what he started with, and also because the gold market is 24 hours, I believe, or close to 24 hours, while the S&P 500 is New York session. And uh, I like kind of like the optionability of trading at any time that fits my schedule. So for the analysis of gold, I was saying that it's going to be a crazy week. Honestly, I don't think we're going to be trading at all this week. Why? Because I just noticed that there's four big news on the US dollar today, right now actually at New York 10 or 9 a.m. in a couple more hours or minutes, I think, actually. So the news are gonna reach anytime soon, or they're releasing as we speak, actually, right now. Yeah, they just released the news. So never mind, maybe I will trade. I was saying that on the trade, I'm gonna trade. Why? Because news fluctuate a lot. The market, it's pretty much a gamble when you look at them. And we like to have the most confirmations of what our speculation is gonna be. So when that happens, we wait a little bit until the market kind of like balances out, and then we can actually trade, which is what I'm gonna be doing in a couple minutes. If I have the memory, I'll upload it at the moment. But yeah, for Wednesday and Friday, there's more news. So honestly, there's no real way for me to actually make an accurate prediction because news will fluctuate the market a lot. Right now, what I can tell you or what I can say is that currently gold did a sudden down spike, a bearish action, and then it looks like it's going on an uptrend. But that uptrend, that bearish movement, kind of looks like either maybe a fair value gap or liquidity sweep in which the market goes up a bit, trying to break the new high, kind of like delusion of a new tendency, and then make another bearish move down. So that's probably what I'm waiting for right now. Why? Because again, big news. And also this weekend was the Venezuela incident. Nicolas Maduro got exported from Venezuela. United States interfered. There's gonna be more oil change. That's big. I haven't really looked at the stock exchange, but I'm pretty sure that there's movement on the oil market over there. So that's kind of like the analysis. It didn't turn out how I expected it to be because again, news, they always move the market in unpredictable ways unless you can actually like dedicate your trading style for news. But we don't want that. We want to have as many confirmations or confluences as teacher says. so that we can actually have the correct prediction of where the price is gonna go. And right now, like, so the news dropped like an hour ago almost. We can actually not see them, but we can start. I don't have my glasses, it's kind of hard. So we can actually start analyzing whether it's gonna go up or down. I was looking at the 3 hour and it looks like it's actually breaking the structure. It's gonna be probably like I forgot the word, consolidation movement for next couple hours. So I might not even enter any trade. We're gonna moving forward. Oh, never mind, hold on. On the 30-minute time chart, it confirms something similar of moving the uptrend, and then kind of like trying to make it believe it's gonna be an uptrend, but then we kind of see somewhat of a liquidity sweep. Could still go up, of course, but still feels like a gamble. Why? Because on a lower time frame, yes, it does look like it's gonna keep going up, but it could still be a liquidity sweep and go lower. And at the end of the day, hella news this week. Price is gonna be going all over the place. Not much prediction can be made, I guess, on that. I think I have been working on the storage on my phone, and I might use a different phone that has more storage for that, so I can start creating longer videos. And like I've been saying before, eventually I want to be able to have like a dual screen so it can show my face and the charts at the same time. And I'm making this video kind of like as if I was speaking to an audience. There were 4 views on other videos. I don't know whether 4 views. No one should be looking at these videos at the moment. This is just for me, honestly, right now. But I do have the hope that eventually TJR will, I'll make it, and TJR will be like, notice me, bitch. But yeah, so I'm still looking at the charts. Definitely looks like it's gonna go up, but I'm not. Or could it be? I do need to review the other confluences that were made. I'm just gonna upload them in the next couple days probably, because we know there's 5. Liquidity sweep. Then what's the other one? Break of structure. Right now we're kind of looking into a break of structure on the 2 hour, which actually might confirm, but yeah, it's still not fully the break of structure that we're looking for. And then order block, fair value gap, or either one of those, and equilibrium, which I need to review so I can actually get it. And at the same time, we need patience on that, or I need patience. I still need to look at the charts for a way longer time than necessary, but that's part of it. And if I go to probably 30-minute time frame, it looks like it will go down. I mean, currently we had a big bull candlestick, and then right now as we speak, it's 2 smaller candlestick. There's a doji, I remember teacher called it like that, going bearish, and then there's a second candlestick, kind of like confirming on that. So yes, on that greater time scale, I'm gonna be making a trade, which is kind of like a not day trading. I don't expect it to execute today, but maybe tomorrow on the same trade. So what I'm kind of like waiting for is that we last week you had a bearish action, and then right now during the weekend and Friday, kind of like consolidated. We got the Nicolas Maduro news, and on the Sunday opening, it spiked up again. But we've seen these charts in which it's kind of like a, oh yes, it's going down. I mean, it's going up, and then it makes down kind of like a downtrend, and then it gives like a false hope of uptrend again, and then it spikes down again for a couple more days. So that's what I'm waiting for. And tomorrow there's no news, so it should be relatively not as volatile, hopefully. Wednesday, that's a different story. And I'm still working on the strategy of, oh yeah, that's my phone right there recording this. I'm kind of dumb. I trade on MetaTrader 5. So that's different. And then I got distracted because of the message I got sent. It's a kind of like the landlord. This is just annoying. He's a jackass. And yeah, I'm gonna set it up on MetaTrader, and as I keep working on this, I'll be making sure to add, what's it called, the dual screen, so it makes more sense what I'm saying. Actually learn and use these tools, as well as getting a more concrete, again, like TJR said in the beginning, this is not about making money. This is about correctly predicting the price action. I'm trying to correctly predict the price action, and in return, developing that skill that will produce money. That's a side effect of it, but that's the objective. Develop the skill. I don't know how good this is, but I still like to know where my numbers are, how clear they can be. I'm not gonna make the objective. I just want to have it cleared, and I think that's not as bad as what he warned us about. But yeah, I'm gonna go set up that trade and probably upload another video tomorrow reviewing today's video, which he has not uploaded. I got one step ahead of him today. All right.